Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the meaning, usage, and fun facts about the English words you know and love. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you're here today. Let's jump right into our word of the day, which is bill. It's an A1 level noun, so it's great for beginners and it means a statement of charges. Let's talk about how we use bill in everyday language. A bill is something you receive when you've bought goods or services and need to pay for them. For example, when you finish eating at a restaurant, the waiter brings you a bill that shows what you ordered and how much you owe. It's also common to receive bills at home for things like electricity or water. Now, let's explore some synonyms of bill. One synonym is invoice, which is a more formal term often used in business. For instance, the company sent an invoice for the office supplies. Another synonym is check, which is commonly used in American English, especially in restaurants. For example, can we get the check, please? Both words carry the same idea of a statement showing charges. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms. A common antonym for bill is receipt, which you get after you've paid. For example, I always keep my receipt in case I need to return something. Another antonym could be credit, which refers to money that is owed to you instead of the other way around. For instance, the store issued a credit after the item was returned. In everyday life, bill is a word you'll hear often. Imagine you're at a cafe with friends and the server says, "Would you like the bill?" Or perhaps you're reviewing your monthly expenses and notice a bill for your phone service. In these situations, bill is a practical and easy-to-understand word. Here are a few more examples to bring the word bill to life. I forgot to pay the electricity bill, and now I'm worried it's overdue. The waiter handed me the bill, and I realized I'd left my wallet at home. She checked the bill carefully to make sure there were no mistakes. That wraps up our exploration of the word bill. It's such a simple but essential word that you're sure to encounter in both personal and professional settings. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show and join our learning community. And before you go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word bill and share it as a comment. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and have a fantastic day.